You're welcome to App Fix and In. Now let's talk about how to safely get apps like MovieBox in 2025 the right way. Don't go to a random website or APK link. Instead, always use your phone official Play Store. So this is what you need to know. Let's simply go to our Play Store like this. So when you go to your Play Store like this, so let's go ahead and search for MovieBox. So when you search for MovieBox like this, as you can see here, there is actually no official MovieBox anymore. But don't worry, there are actually safe and legal alternative that works even more better than this app. This app is no longer available on Play Store because it is actually a corrupted app. So this is what you need to know as well. Always download app from the official Play Store in order to stay safe and avoid fake MovieBox copies. These are the alternative steps you can actually take. So when you go to your Play Store like this and search for an app like this, which is known as Plex. So when you search for this app, looking right here on Play Store, let's go ahead and open it. So the first app I have here is known as Plex, which does not only allow you to stream your movies, but also allows you to organize your own media. It is actually a legal app, safe and very polished, as you can see here on the screen. So you can actually go to Discovery and others, and you'll be able to see the movies on the app. It is actually safe, legal and very polished, other than the MovieBox. So right here as well, you can actually go to your Play Store once more and click on the search button, then go ahead and search for YouTube. Yes, our own very YouTube. You can go ahead and click on open and open your YouTube app like this. So right here on YouTube, you can go ahead and search for free full movies. So when you search for that, you'd be able to see a lot of movies that are actually available on movies as well. Now this is actually free to watch, and also it is actually very legal and safe. So this is actually how you can safely find and download apps like MovieBox in 2025 without breaking any rules. Always download from official stores, avoid APK, and use trusted apps like this. Alright guys, you've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.